Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the right materials, waxed or nylon thread that will float, and a small stiffener at the tip. Place your container or pond in a sheltered spot because even small ripples break the method. Hold the thread 30 degrees above the calm surface and lower the stiff end until it kisses the water. Once it touches, let capillary action and surface tension draw the tip forward. Keep a steady hand. Slow motion builds the path you need to follow. Once the tip is afloat, you guide, not push. Maintain the 30-degree angle and move at a steady, slow pace so surface tension keeps holding the thread. If direction changes, give gentle lateral nudges. A fingertip or thin card creates subtle steering. For longer spans, attach tiny 1-2 gram weights close to, but not on, the tip to pull and stabilize the line. Make sure to balance weight so the thread remains on top of the water, not sinking beneath. To finish, secure the far end immediately. Tie light knots or clip to a stake so motion won't pull the thread off the surface. If the thread sinks mid-crossing, retrieve it, dry, and reapply wax or replace the stiffener. Waterlogged fibers lose flotation. If waves or wind keep wrecking the path, pause and create a windbreak or shorten your span and repeat. One key troubleshooting tip: when sinking occurs, restore surface tension at the tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.